Ayan, 45 minutong makalipas na 4:00 ng hapon. Ayan, syempre, paagahan natin to. And anyways, welcome to Musical Podcast, where music can always getting started. And today I had to discuss about the highlights here on Decades of Sounds earlier that evening. Diba? Siyempre, yung narinig mo yung kanta ni Crystal Waters, parang ang sexy. Ang sexy talagang gumiling. Siyempre, pinatugtog sa amin ni DJ Sting yung favorite song ko. He knows me because hindi ko to ni-request. Alam niya yung favorite song ko Siyempre, it was the first time at this show. Siyempre, it's giving passion through music. Some DJs called me sexy because of my body positivity, because it's giving a good passion to DJ Sting in this song from Crystal Waters. Siyempre, I love this song. It's giving 100% pure sexiness talaga yung song na ito. Siyempre! Basta sexy, libre lang ang gumiling. Parang nag-slay ka lang ng giling mo. Tapos, syempre, ina-enjoy mo lang ang hair flipping moment mo At you know what? Pinagtulungan ako ni Meme. Nag-level 2 na yung party room ko. Anyways, thank you so much, Meme, for getting my level 2 pendant. Siyempre, tatagal yung ganito kong pendant. O, diba? Nakaka-excite O, diba? But you know what? I'm so excited because anyways, this was the very first show that I ever come up for today. So, kakapasok ko lang dito sa premiere ng Decades of Sounds from classics to now. And you know what I'm excited for about? Oh my gosh! Kaninang 2 hours pa lang nag-premiere. Napaaga. Kaya napaaga talaga ang show na ito. Kasi sabi daw, baguhin na daw yung time slot. Kasi, charot. 7:00 ng gabi hanggang 8:30 ng gabi. O, diba? Sinabi ko na. All I'm asking about it, this is a song na ito, but we still had to discuss about this song. Alam mo ba yung kinanta ko kanina? Yes! O, diba? May pa sound effects pa lang Kung you could describe everything about Crystal Waters' song, syempre, you could describe something sexy, napaka-sultry, or syempre, napaka-alluring. Yes, slay is slay. Diba? Syempre, what's the word for today? Slay. Syempre, babaeng palaban, slay mo lang. Oh, diba? Naku, 50% na ako. Huwag na natin ito patagalin. So, yes, mamaya pa ang 6:30 ang musical show ko. So anyways, we'll be right back after a quick short break. This is the Musical Podcast.